Here's your kitchen hack for today. How to clean your shrimps. You will need a pair of kitchen shears, one clean toothpick. First, you will need to cut the antenna. Also, cut the sharp edges of the shrimp. Snip. Then let's remove that black part of the shrimp. From the tail, the second abdomen. Poke it with your toothpick like this. Slowly pull it out. Slowly. Ta-da! Here you go. One clean shrimp. Okay, let's do this one more time. Cut the antenna. Then the sharp edges. Snip, snip, snip. Let's remove that black part again. From the tail, 1, 2. Poke it with your toothpick like this. Pull it out. Okay, there you have it. Another clean shrimp. Make sure to wash your shrimps after. Okay, don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and subscribe.